says, I was informed there is none. There is no national law, and that NMIS is not authorized by law to prohibit any slaughtering of livestock. The jurisdiction of the NMIS, according to the Mr. Chair, is only to those meat dealers, Mr. Chair. The DJ aglaklakot the karne to the public, Mr. Chair. Like the slaughterhouse that we have, Mr. Chair, and those other private companies or businesses that would slaughter their livestock within their private premises and to be sold to the public. So that is now the declaration coming from the NMIS. So my point here, Mr. Chair, we should not easily be persuaded by the representation of department heads or any government official that will relay information to this body that is not accurate, Mr. Chair. Now, Mr. Chair, another concern about that absolute prohibition, Mr. Chair. At present, Mr. Chair, we have a refrigerated van that we cater. Actually, we are even charging from the slaughterhouse to the public market, Mr. Chair. The purpose of which is to ensure the freshness and to preserve the meat that will be consumed or bought by the public. Now, Mr. Chair, if we are going to insist that we will prohibit our constituents from slaughtering livestock for personal use, Mr. Chair. Let us say to a barangay like Baksil, or let us say in Balakad or Kalayab, where it will take 45 to 50 minutes for the travel time. My concern, Mr. Chair, picture na, let us say, the baboy na, ito'y, or kalting, as the case may be, ito'y slaughterhouse. Kasano datong i-transport for 45 minutes. Our refrigerated van was not designed for the transporting of these meat products to private residences. So, nalais no kanton makadaming i-devalbaradan. So, we are not helping our constituents with that, Mr. Chair. Not to mention, it will be burdensome na awan lugan na, Mr. Chair, handang may transport among others. And luckily, Mr. Chair, as a lawyer, Mr. Chair, I believe anybody has the right to eat whatever he wants to eat, Mr. Chair. Kahit mo mga lechon ni leche, kahit mo mga lechon baboy, ang tiyemla tayo, balay mo sa mukha na yun, so ti kayat what the government is regulating, Mr. Chair, is the act of selling meat products to the public. Mr. Chair, hanga dili personal mo kanan. Otherwise, we are depriving or curtailing the liberty of a person from exercising their very right to eat, Mr. Chair, because I have not even the national government could prohibit or regulate any homeowner on how they would cook or eat their food, Mr. Chair. So I think there is a need for us to revisit what was made by this body, Mr. Chair. And second, Mr. Chair, my topic, Mr. Chair,